Myself, Dr.M.Saranya, Assistant Professor of BBA Department. Now we are going to see about span of control. Span of control can be defined as the total number of direct subordinates that a manager can control or manage. The number of subordinates managed by a manager varies depending on the complexity of the work. For example, a manager can manage 4 to 6 subordinates when the nature of work is complex, whereas the number can be grouped up to 15 to 20 subordinates for repetitive or fixed work. Now we are going to briefly see about brief explanation of span of control. The term span of control is popularly used in business management and human resource management because this term is related to the management and controlling of employees. The meaning of the word is the total number of subordinates that a manager and supervisor can manage. In the past, one manager was capable of managing one to four subordinates. Because of that, there were many levels of management in one organization. In 1980, with the introductions of information technology in business, many organizations flattened their management by reducing the number of managers in an organization. After that, the span of one manager increased from 1 to 4 to 1 to 10 subordinates. This was possible because of inexpensive information technology help in easing out several middle managers tasks such as collections and manipulations of operations information. Because of this, a manager became capable of managing more subordinates at one time. Several factors affect the span of control of manager, such as the nature of work, capabilities of the manager, capabilities of employees to be managed, and the responsibilities of a manager. It can be of two types, such as a narrow and a wide span of control. It is considered to be narrow, which a manager manages two to four subordinates. Next, we are going to see about advantages of a narrow span of control. First one is the manager can supervise each of his subordinate intimately. The next one is the nature of work is usually complicated. Next one is effective communication between the subordinates and their managers. Next one is more layers in the hierarchy of management. Next, we are going to see about disadvantages of narrow span of control. Too much control over employees might hamper their original talent and creativity. Extended hierarchy of control result in a long time in decision making. Narrow span of controlling prevents cross-functional problem solving. On the other hand, a span of control is wide when a manager manages or controls to 20 subordinates. Next, we are going to see about advantages and disadvantages of a wide span of control. Uh, First, we are going to see about the advantages of a wide span of control. In a wide span of control, subordinates are more independent, fewer layer in the hierarchy of management. The nature of work is repetitive, uh, that lays a direct communication between subordinate and managers. Next, we are going to see about disadvantages of a wide span of control. There are four disadvantages under the wide span of control. So, first one is ineffective management. Second one is increased workload on a manager. Next one is the role of a team members are not clearly defined. The last disadvantages is less communication between managers and subordinate reduce the control of the manager. Thank you.